up for conservativememes.org. So first off, we'll just go to the home page. You just go to register. Let's just type in a username. Let's just do, since I'm just using a dummy Yahoo mail account, let's just do Yahoo. Then let's just do we'll complete sign up. Let's do that. Now we'll just go to my email. Cancel. Sorry about that. We'll just see in spam if it's there. Yes. Alright, see it's right here in spam. Sometimes it goes to spam, sometimes it doesn't. Just depends on your mail provider, because it doesn't go to spam for Outlook, I think, but for Gmail it does. I'm working on getting that changed. But we just click on activate. We have an activation key. Just activate it. Now we can log in. And we're in. So I'll show you around now. We have the home page, which is where we're on, where some of the main posts are. This is where all my posts go, since I'm the head admin. Then we have activity of everybody on here. We have all the different groups. I've made a new group. This group is just for satire. And as you can tell, it's easy just to join the group, that easy. And then we can look at other members. Like, we can add friend to my real account. We can look at my profile at Yahoo. We can make a group. Oh, and if we want to make a group, all we do is go here. And you just click here. Create a group. And you can make one right here. Like group name, settings, photo, cover image, and inviting other members. Then you can privately message people. So I can message anybody else on the platform, or we can just log out. And that's pretty much the roundup. Email me at cjsjr. No, it's cjshu at conservativememes.org. And I'll try and get back to you with any questions you may have.